Man, we are so lucky. I'm stoked.
Me too.
Right here, right in front of us. Oh yeah, holy God, that was a big wave.
That was a good one.
These guys might come right by too.
Did you get that?
I don't know.
Look at that. What a beautiful day. You can see the top of Blue Line. That mountain there is a volcano too, and it's active. It's 8,000 feet high.
Uh-huh.
Blue Line.